Perception and personality in organization. What is perception? Perception is the process individuals organize and interpret their sensory impression in order to give meaning to their environment. Perception and personality affect how people relate to each other and their work. Why is perception important in the study of organizational behavior? Simply because people's behavior is based on their perception of what is reality is not on reality itself. We use a number of shortcuts when we judge others perceiving and interpreting what others do is burdensome. As a result, individuals develop techniques for making the task more manageable. First, selective perception. Selectively interpreting what one sees on the basis of one's interest, background, experience, and attitudes. In halo effect, drawing a general impression about an individual. Contrast effects. Evaluation of person characteristics that are affected by comparisons with other people, recently encountered who rank higher or lower on the same characteristics. Projection. Attributing one's own characteristics to other people. Stereotyping. Judging someone on the basis of one's perception of the group to which that person belongs. Decision making. Individuals in organization make decisions. Top managers determine their organization goals, what product or services to offer, how best to finance operation, or where to locate a new manufacturing plant. Middle and lower level managers determine production schedules, select new employees, and decide how pay raises are to be allocated. How should decision be made? The rational decision-making process. It is a decision-making model that describes how individuals should behave in order to maximize some outcome. Steps in the rational decision-making process. We have defined the problem, identified the decision criteria, allocate weights to have the criteria, develop the alternatives, evaluate the alternatives, and select the best alternatives. For assumptions of the model, we have problem clarity, known options, clear preferences, constant preferences, no time or cost constraints, and maximum payoff. How are decisions actually made in organization? Bounded rationality, making decisions by constructing simplified models that extract the essential features from problems without capturing all their complexity. Common biases and errors. We have overconfidence bias, anchoring bias, confirmation bias, availability bias, representative bias, escalation of commitment, random error, winner curves, and hindsight bias. Intuitive decision making. We have individual differences, which is the personality and gender. In organizational constraints, we have performance evaluations, reward system, formal regulation, system-imposed time constraints, historical precedents, and cultural differences. What about ethics in decision-making? 3 ethical decision criterion, which is the utilitarian criterion, rights, and justice.